Good morning, students. Today we are going to see 6th standard maths term 2 exercise 1.3. See the first question. Every number greater than 2 can be expressed as the sum of two prime numbers. Verify this statement for every even number up to 16. Every even number greater than 2. So what are the even numbers greater than 2 up to 16? The number greater than 2 means we won't take 2. So after 2 the even number is 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14 up to 16 we have to take. So we take 16 also. Now we write this even number sum of two prime numbers. ஒவ்வொரு ஈவன் நம்பரையும் ரெண்டு பிரைம் நம்பர் ஆட் பண்ணா ஈவன் நம்பர் கிடைக்குமா அப்படின்னு நம்ம செக் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? ஃபர்ஸ்ட் we take the number 4. So 2 is the prime number. So 2 plus 2. These two prime number. Okay. These two prime number we get even number. Next we take 6. 6 we write 3 plus 3. 3 is a prime number. So prime number plus prime number we get 6. Then 8. 3 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. 3 plus 5 8. Then 10. 3 is a prime number. 7 is a prime number. What are the prime numbers? A number divisible by 1 and the number itself. See, 2 is divisible by 1 and the number 2 only. Then 3, 5, 7, 9 is not a prime number. After 7 we take 11, 13, 17, 19, etc. Okay, now see here 10. 3 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number, 3 plus 5, 10, or we take 5 plus 5. Then 12, 10 after 12. 12 we write 7 plus 5. Then 14. 14 we write 3 plus 11 or 7 plus 7, 14. Next 16. What is this? 5 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. 11 is a prime number. 5 plus 7. So 5 plus 11, 16. Or 3 plus 13, 16. See the second question. Is 173 is a prime number? Why? This is the question. Yes, 173 is a prime number because 173 is divisible by 1 and the number itself. See, 173 is divisible by 1. How many times? 173, 1 is 173, remainder 0. Otherwise, here we take 173 divisible by 1. From this one, 1 is 1. So next we bring the number 7. How many 7 in 1? How many 1 in 7? 7 1 is 7. Next we bring the number 3. How many 1 in 3? 3 1 is 3. Then 173 is divisible by 173 only. So 173 is 173. Remainder 0. See here 173 has only two factors, 1 and 173. So 173 is a prime number. See the third question. For which of the numbers from n is equal to 2 to 8 is 2n minus 1 a prime? அதாவது என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காங்கன்னா என்னுக்கு பதிலாக வேல்யூ 2லேருந்து 8 வரைக்கும் எடுத்துக்கணும். இந்த வேல்யூ என்னோட வேல்யூவை இந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஷனில் சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணினா எந்தெந்த வேல்யூக்கு ப்ரைம் நம்பர் கிடைக்குது அப்படின்னு நம்ம செக் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? சி இங்கே என்ன எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கன்னா 2n minus 1. First we take the number 2. See, we substitute the value of n is 2. So 2 into 2 and n is in the form of multiplication. So here we put 2. 2 2s are 2 into 2 minus this one. 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 1 3. So n க்கு பதிலா நீங்க 2 ங்கற value substitute பண்ணா we get 3 is a prime number. Next we take n is equal to 3. See 2 into we substitute the value of n is 3 minus 1. 2 3s are 6. This minus 1 you write as it is. So 6 minus 1 5. 5 also a prime number. Next we take the number 4. So 2 into 4 minus 1. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 1 7 also a prime number. Next we take n is equal to 5. So 2 5s are 2 into 5 minus 1. 2 5s are 10. 10 minus 1 9. 9 is not a prime number. Then we take n is equal to 6. 2 into 6 minus 1. 2 6 are 12. 12 minus 1 11 is a prime number. Then we take n is equal to 7. So 2 into 7 minus 1. 2 sevens are 14 minus 1. 13 also a prime number. Next we take the number 8. 2 into 8 minus 1. 2 8s are 16. 16 minus 1 15. 15 is not a prime number. See here we put n is equal to 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. We have the prime number. Then 5 and 8 is not a prime number. See the fourth question. State true or false and explain your answer with reason for the following statements. First question. A number is divisible by 9 if it is divisible by 3. ஒரு நம்பர் 3 ஆல divisible ஆனா அது கண்டிப்பா 9 ஆல divisible ஆகுமா அப்படினு கேக்குறாங்க. False. ஏனா 15ங்கற நம்பர் is divisible by 3 but 15 is not divisible by 9. So the statement is false. The next question. A number divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 12. ஒரு number 12 ஆல divisible ஆனா அது 6 ஆல divisible ஆகுமான்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Yes, it is true because 24 is divisible by 12, then 24 also divisible by 6. See the fifth sum. Find A as required. See the first question. The greatest two-digit number 9A is divisible by 2. See here 9A is given. What is the value of A? See the statement is greatest two-digit even number. What is the greatest two-digit even number? 98. After 98, 100. 100 is the three-digit even number. So the greatest two-digit even number is 98. Here we have A. In the place of A, we have 8. So the value of A is 8. See the next question. The least number 567A is divisible by 3. இப்போ இந்த A இருக்கிற இடத்துல எந்த நம்பரை போட்டா அந்த நம்பர் 3 ஆல divisible ஆகும். அந்த Aங்கிற நம்பர் லீஸ்ட் நம்பரா இருக்கும். So divisible by 3 க்கு என்ன ரூல் அப்படினா sum of the digit. இந்த எல்லா டிஜிட்டையும் ஆட் பண்ணா 3 ஓட மல்டிபிள்ஸா வரும். So 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8. 5 plus 6 plus 7 18. 18 plus 8. 18 is divisible by 3. 18 is a multiple of 3. So 18 ஓட 0 ஆட் பண்ணோம்னா again we get 18. So A இருக்க வேண்டிய இடத்துல எந்த least value போட்டா அந்த நம்பர் 3 ஆல divisible ஆகும். 18 plus 0 18 is divisible by 3. So 18 நமக்கு ஆன்சர் தான். அப்ப A இருக்க வேண்டிய இடத்துல 0 போட்டா again we get 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So in the place of A we write 0. The value of A is 0. Third question. The greatest three-digit number 9A6. The greatest three-digit even number 9A6 is divisible by 6. A number divisible by 6, it is divisible by 2 and 3. Okay. So first we check. நல்லா கவனிங்க. This is the three-digit number. எந்த A ஓட வேல்யூ என்னவா வேணாலும் இருக்கட்டும். Here the unit place is even number. So this number is divisible by 2. Then we check divisible by 3 because a number divisible by 6 it should be divisible by 2 and 3. Next we check the number divisible by 3. See here 9. See if we put the place value of A is 9, we get 9 plus 9 plus 6 is equal to 24. So 24 is divisible by 3. Here you write the highest number is 9. The greatest one digit number is 9 because 9, 9, 6 all the numbers is a multiple of 3. So the number is divisible by 3, 24. Sum of the digit is divisible by 3. So this 996 is divisible by 3. So this 996 also divisible by 2. This is the highest three-digit number divisible by 2 and 3. So the number is divisible by 6. So the value of A is 9. See the next one. The number A08 is divisible by 4 and 9. See what is the rule for divisible by 4? The last two digit is divisible by 4. The whole number is divisible by 4. Here the last two digit is 08 is divisible by 4. Divisible by 4. See now we check what value here we substitute for a, the number is divisible by 9. See here, what is the rule? Sum of the digit. Here a plus 0 plus 8 is equal to 8 oda எந்த number add பண்ணா 9 oda multiples வரும்னா 1 add பண்ணா போதும். So 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 8 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. So the value of a is 1. Next 2 to 5 a 8 5. The number is given. Now we check the number is divisible by 11. What is the value of a? Already we know the rule for divisible by 11. The difference between sum of odd digit and the sum of even digit is 0 or multiples of 11. The number is divisible by 11. See, first we take odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. First we add the odd digit. Sum of odd digit. Odd digit. What is this? ஓக்கு கீழ இருக்க நம்பர்ஸ்லாம் எடுத்துங்க. 2 plus 5 plus 8. 2 plus 5 plus 8 is 15. Next sum of even digit. Even digit. 2 plus a plus 5. 2 plus a plus 5, that is 7 plus a. See, இங்க 15 இருக்கு, இங்கே 15 வரணும்னா 7 ஓட எந்த நம்பரை ஆட் பண்ணா 15 கிடைக்கும் அப்படின்னா, see இந்த a க்கு பதிலா 8 ஆட் பண்ணீங்கன்னா 7 plus 8 15. இந்த 15 ஐயும் இந்த 15 ஐயும் சப்ட்ராக்ட் பண்ணோம்னா ஆன்சர் என்ன கிடைக்கும்? 0. இப்போ 0 வந்துச்சுன்னா this number is divisible by 11. So a க்கு பதிலா என்ன வேல்யூ போடணும் அப்படின்னா 8. See the sixth sum. Numbers divisible by 4 and 6 are divisible by 24. Verify this statement and suppose your answer with an example. See here, see the given statement is false because 12 is divisible by 4 and 3. 12, 4 3s are 12, so it is divisible by 4. Then 12, how many? 6 in 12, 2 6 are. This 12 is divisible by 4 and 6. But this 12 is not divisible by 24. So the given statement is false. Next question. The sum of any two successive odd numbers. Successive odd number means next odd number. Consecutive odd numbers. Next odd numbers. Always divisible by 4. Justify this statement with an example. See. Yes, the given statement is true because here let us take two successive. Successive means next odd numbers. Next odd numbers. 11. After 11, the next odd number is 13. 11 plus 13, 24. 24 is divisible by 4 because 6 4s are 24. Okay. Then let us check another one. 9. 9. The next odd number is 11. 9 plus 11, 20. 20 also divisible by 4. Let us take one more example. 3. Next odd number is 5. 3 plus 5, 8 is divisible by 4. The general form is 4n plus 1. That is odd number. The multiple of 4n is even number. Plus 1 is 4n plus 1 is odd number. The next odd number is 1 கூட 3 add பண்ணாத next odd number. 1 கூட 2 add பண்ணனும் next odd number கிடைக்கும். That is 4n plus 3 கிடைக்கும். இந்த ரெண்டையும் add பண்ணோம்னா 8n plus 4 வருது. It is a multiple of 4. So all the we take any two or consecutive odd numbers. The sum of the two odd number is always divisible by 4. See the eighth question. Find the length of the longest rope that can be used to measure exactly the ropes of length 1 meter 20 centimeter, 3 meter 60 centimeter and 4 meter. Here we find the length of the longest rope. Longest means here we have to find HCF. HCF of 1 meter 20 centimeter, 3 meter 60 centimeter and 4 meter. Listen carefully. Here first two measurement given in meter and centimeter. So all the measurement we convert into centimeter. For this 1 meter 100 centimeter, already 20 centimeter is given. So 100 plus 20, 120 centimeter. Here 3 meter is how many 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter plus 60 centimeter. 300 plus 60, 360 centimeter. 4 meter is 400 centimeter. Now we find the HCF of 120, 360 and 400. We get the longest rope. Length of longest rope. So 120, 360, 400. All the numbers even numbers. It is divisible by 2. For this 12, 6 2s are 12. This 0 you write as it is. For this 3, 1 2 is 2. Balance 1. Now the number is 16. 8 2s are 16. You keep this 0 as it is. For this 4, 2 2s are 4. These 2 zeros you write as it is. Again all the numbers even numbers. It is divisible by 2. For this 6, 3 2s are 6. So this 0 you write as it is. 18, 9 2s are 18. You write as it is. 1 2 is 2. 0 0 you keep as it is. Again all the numbers even numbers. It is divisible by 2. For this 3, 1 2 is 2. From this 3 we take 2. Balance 1. 10. 5 2s are 10. So 15 2s are 30. For this 90. 4 2s are 8. Balance 1. 10. 5 2s are 10. Next 5 2s are 10. This 0 is as it is. 15, 45, 50. Here, see the unit place is 5 and 0. So, all the numbers divisible by 5. 3 5s are 15, 9 5s are 45, 10 5s are 50. There is no common factor for 3, 9 and 10. So, what is the common factor? 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. See, 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 8 5s are 40. See, the length of longest rope is 40 centimeter. Thank you students. Exercise 1.3 is over. Remaining sums we will see in the next class.